Hello everyone, welcome back to the course on part modeling in PTC Creo. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the extrude command. Let us start with new, click on the part, rename the part name as a extrude, then click on the solid. We are not going to use the default template, so that's why untick the default template, click on OK. We are changing the units from inches to the mm. Now click on the extrude. We will directly transfer to the selection of planes. So select any one plane. Then we will go to the sketch menu. For the extrude command, we need the close profile. So that's why, for example, here I am taking the center rectangle command. Click on the origin and this is the close profile of the rectangle. Change the dimensions as 800 by suppose 300. So as it is a close profile, we can extrude it. Click on the OK. We will transfer to the extrude command. Suppose we want the solid model, then click on this first option, extrude as a solid. Suppose we want the surface model, then click on the extrude as a surface. Here you can see it's a surface. Suppose we want the solid model, so that's why we will keeping the first option on. Now here you can change the orientation of the object along the plane. So this first option is used to extrude along the one side of the plane. Suppose we want a distance of 100 mm. So we will click on the 100 mm. Suppose this distance we want in another direction of the plane. So click on this arrow. You will get the direction reversed. From here also you can change the direction. Suppose we want the symmetrical extrude, then click on the second option. In this case we will symmetrically extrude the plate. The changing arrow will reverse the condition. Then this option is thicken the sketch. Here we can take the thickness as 10 suppose. So here you can change the thickness. If you don't want, untick it. Then these are the options which shows us the model in different orientations. Suppose how the object is look like in original shape after extrude, we can see that shape here. So the object will look like this. So for this case we are extruding the plate up to 100 mm. So click on the, so this is the plate. So now in this case we can view the different orientation of the plate. First is with shading, second shading with edges, then only shading, hidden lines, no hidden lines, and wireframe. These are the wireframe models. Suppose we will take the second option. Now if you want to add the another feature on this plate, we can select the extrude command similarly. So for this case we will select the sketch. Suppose this first plane and sketch. Here suppose I want the circle. Suppose the circle is of 250 mm. I will click it. Now go to the extrude command. By default it is taken as a solid object. Suppose I want to remove the portion of this shape, then change the direction. Here the material removal option is getting on. If you off this option, then it will be a solid model. If you on this option, it will be a material removal option. By changing these arrows, you can perform the Boolean operations A minus B, B minus A. By removing this A union B. This is the A union B. Plate is A, circle is B, then this is the A union B. If you on this material removal option, then this will be A minus B and this will be B minus A. Suppose we want this object as distance up to, suppose this distance we want up to 500 mm. Again here you can perform the similar option of thicken the sketch. Here we can take the thickness as 20. So in this way, in one sketch you can modify the commands. Now we will see why this Creo software is a parametric software. So suppose we want to modify this sketch after the original shape is done, then click on the right click, go to the edit option. Here you can change the dimensions. Suppose this dimension is 250, I don't want 250, suppose I want 200, so I will change it. I can change it. Suppose for this particular plate I don't want these dimensions, I want the dimension as instead of 800, suppose I want 600, then it will be automatically reduced. Suppose this 300 I don't want, I want 500, it will automatically expand. So similarly you can perform the operations after the original shape is done. So in this way we can extrude the commands and we can use the commands.